Guangdong GT Ultrasonic Company, stock code 832018, established in 2010, is a public company in ultrasonic cleaning field and a national high-tech enterprise. GT Sonic have 40,000 square meters of industrial park and 1,000 square meters of marketing center in Shenzhen, with over 150 staffs in total. Enterprises have obtained ISO 9001 certification. GT Sonic has an R&D center with 35 engineers who have over 10 years experience in ultrasonic field. Due to our stronger R&D ability, we have obtained sufficient patents of invention and completed countless ODM projects for many world-class companies. We have outstanding production capacity of 1 million units per year, and 70% of the components are produced by our own factory. With 9 years of specializing in ultrasonic cleaning machine, GT Sonic owned about 200 different models. Our product line has covered household ultrasonic cleaner, benchtop ultrasonic cleaner, industry ultrasonic cleaner. Our products are widely used in laboratory, medical, dental, jewelry, optics, electronics, automotive, industry, and pharmaceutical. Now our major markets in Eastern Europe, Western Europe, North America, South America, Asia, Oceania, Mid East, and Africa. We have many distributors based in many regions of these continents. Welcome to contact us and start our mutual benefit